Hello guys, good to see you back. This is the first tutorial of this series. We are going to start our advanced JavaScript journey from let and const variable. JavaScript have total 3 type of variables. First one is var, then let and then const. Let and const introduced in JavaScript ES6 version. Its main it is introduced in 2015 version. Now let's see what is the difference between 3 type of variables. The first difference between all of this type variable is their declaration method. Let's see the difference. For var, we need to type var keyword and then we need to take the variable name equal to then our value. Similarly, for let, we need to type let. Then we need to pass the variable name. And for const, we need to use const keyword. Then we need to pass the variable name. We can redeclare variables. Here you can see, here we redeclare x variable again. If we use var keyword, we can redeclare our variable and we can assign a new value to this x variable. Also, we can reassign the value if we use var keyword. Now our x value is wow. Now, if we print this value, it's going to return wow. So, in case of var, we can reassign the value, also redeclare the value. But in case of let, we cannot redeclare the variable. And if you do it, then it's going to return error. But we can reassign the value if we use let keyword. But we cannot redeclare the value. Now, let's talk about const variable type. In const variable type, we cannot redeclare our variable. And if we do, it's going to return error. Also, we cannot reassign our value. Also, it's going to return error if we do it. So that's the main difference between 3 type of variable, var, let and const. In case of var, we can reassign and redeclare. In case of let, we just only reassign, not redeclare. But in case of const, we cannot redeclare and also we cannot reassign. And there is another difference between them, which is related scope. Let me show you. If we talk about the first case, I mean var, here I'm going to use a if condition. And inside this condition, I'm going to declare a variable using var keyword. So, if I try to print this value outside the if condition, yes, we can. Because this is global scope. So, we can print this variable outside the if condition. Also, we can redeclare it and also we can perform calculation outside the if condition. That's why it is called global scope. Similarly, inside the if condition, if we declare a variable using let keyword, then we cannot print this variable outside the if condition because this is block scope. It means it is only work on inside the block. Blocks mean the curly braces. We can only use this variable inside the curly braces, not outside the curly braces. Here we can print the value, also we can reassign the value, but we cannot redeclare it. We can use it with conditions, loop, switches, while loop, but just we need block scope for that. At the same way, inside the if condition, if we declare a variable using const keyword and if we try to print it outside the block, then it's going to throw an error because it is also a block scope. So const keyword also follow the block scope. So let's take a practical look what we learned. As you can see, side by side, I opened my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I already created an HTML document named index.html. You can use any code editor that are you familiar with. Here I am going to use Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, inside the head tag, we have already typed the script tag. And then inside the script tag, first I am going to declare a variable using var keyword. Var, and our variable name is a. A, assign with, and here I am going to assign a string value. And the string value is add1 and semicolon 2 in this line. Also, I am going to redeclare the value. So I am going to duplicate this line. And here, again I am going to pass a new string value, minch, add1 minch. Now, let's print the value in our console. Also, you can print the value in your document. For that, I am going to type console.log. Inside the round braces, I'm going to pass a, our variable name. Then semicolon 2 in this line. So if I save this file and back to the browser and show you my console. To show your console, you need to press right click on your browser. Then you can see inspect section. Then click on inspect. And here you can see the console section, the console tab. Just click on console tab. And now I'm going to increase the console font size. As you can see, it print Mint. And don't focus these two lines. These came from my extension, my JSON loader extension. So here we successfully redeclared the variable. With that, also we can reassign the value. Let me show you. So here I'm going to type a equal to, inside the double quotes, I'm going to pass the string. And here I'm going to pass welcome. So let's save the file and see what it returned. As you can see, after save the file, you can see in my console, this time it print welcome. So as I told you, we can redeclare and reassign our value if we use var keyword. Now I'm going to use let keyword to declare a variable. So here I'm going to type let. Also, I'm going to redeclare it with let. And I'm going to comment out this line. So after save this file, as you can see, it's written an error, syntax error. Because we cannot redeclare our variable if we use let keyword. But we can reassign our value. So if I comment out this line and remove the comments and reassign the value and then save the file, now you can see it print welcome. Because let allow us to reassign, not redeclare. But if we use const keyword, then what? Const and then save this file, now you can see it's written error. Because const do not allow redeclare, also it do not allow reassign. That's why it's written error. And now, as I told you, there is another difference between all of these variables related their scope. Let me show you the example. For that, here I'm going to use if condition. If inside the round braces, I'm going to create a condition. And our condition is always true. 1 equal to 1. Then inside the if condition, here I'm going to assign a variable using var keyword. Var a equal to 12. This time I assign a numeric value. If I save this file, as you can see in my console, it's written 12. If you notice, you can see we just declare the variable inside this block, means inside the curly braces. But we call this variable outside the curly braces. It's mean outside the block. But if we use let variable type let a equal to 12, and if I want to access it outside the block and save this file, as you can see, it's written error, uncaught reference error. A is not defined. But if I try to access it inside the block, document dot write, inside the round braces, I'm going to pass the variable name a. Then semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, now you can see in my browser it's print the value 12. Because as I told you, let's follow the block scope. At the same way, if we use const keyword to declare the variable, then const a equal to 12 and then save this file, as you can see, it's written the same result. As you can see, we can access it inside the block. That's why it print 12 in our browser. But we cannot access it outside the block. That's why our console written error. Because const also follow the block scope. But if we declare with variable var and then save the file, now you can see our browser and our console return the same result. So that is the difference between both the variables, var, const and let. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn template string.